The Ukrainian army took full control of the Dnipro island of Veliki Potyomkin with its 5 coastal settlements and is under heavy Russian bombardment in the area. Ukrainian forces liberated up to 6 square kilometers southwest of Bakhmut, pushing back Russian forces to the channel line west of Klishchiivka. In addition to my previous message in reference to the events south of Bakhmut, the situation for the Russian forces at the southern flank of Bakhmut is quite dramatic. Russian troops are literally hunted down by Ukrainian tanks and IFVs. The Russian attempt to repel them using armored vehicles ended in a fiasco. Russian bodies are littering the ground, getting crushed by tanks in their dugouts, etc. It is total hell for them. Even Prigozhin is not mincing words, admitting that they lost 500 troops only here. It is also another good example how poorly motivated Russian troops are. At the first sign of problems, they abandon position, causing chaos among their ranks and their flanking units. You can already picture what that means for the upcoming Ukrainian offensives.
Мы сейчас проехали по позициям, слышали то, что происходит. У нас армия бежит. Бежит, потому что 72-я бригада сегодня просрала 3 квадратных километра, на которых у меня погибло порядка 500 человек. Открываю боевой чат, в котором сыпятся сообщения. Факел не придет. В Ростов украинцы придут, если фронт посыпется. Война будет проиграна. Всех с праздником.
Ну что, пидоры, приехали?
In recent days, the 3rd Assault Brigade successfully attacked Russian positions southwest of Bakhmut, forcing the Russian 72nd Brigade to retreat with heavy losses. In this attack, up to 13 Russians were killed, and 25 were wounded.
Підтягуємося.
Давай, когда продвигаться.
Я бачив, вона на запалі. Що ми можемо рішити? Убити їх нахуй може.
A Russian soldier surrendered into Ukrainian captivity through drone communication. In the meantime, he was under fire from other Russian soldiers for surrendering. All against all, complete disunity of the front. Russian volunteer Anastasia Kashavarova explains what happened between Wagner and the 72nd Brigade in Bakhmut in a long telegram post. She says Russian forces are not allowed to communicate with Wagner. Wagner was forced to retreat in one area as Ukrainians exploited weakness and broke through. She says the 72nd had no idea and no troops in the area to cover. She also says Russian sides all hate each other, making fun of each other. She calls for unity, or the war will not be won. Russian propagandist Solovyev acknowledged the poor quality of soldier training in Russia. He has a solution for that. Shoot the training commanders.
Нам действительно надо больше внимания обращать на подготовку бойцов, потому что страна жила в мире, и армия жила в мире, и вот этот переход, он требует отдельного внимания.
Требует. При этом очень важно брать информацию от командиров боевых подразделений, которые говорят, с какого полигона к нему пришли хорошо подготовленные ребята, а где начальника полигона неплохо было бы расстрелять.
А я все полигоны объехал на Дальнем Востоке, когда шла подготовка. Более того, раскрою страшный секрет. На одном из полигонов я просто пригласил командира, пригласил исполняющего обязанности командующего округа и сказал, что вот эти военнослужащие до того, как они будут готовы, никуда не поедут. Мы еще на месяц продлили подготовку, потому что она была организована, мягко говоря, не очень хорошо.
Exclusive. Today we were able to see the remains of the Kinshal missile in Kyiv, which was shot down by Patriot Defense on May 5th. This was a sensation because the hypersonic missile was considered Putin's wonder weapon. Here the parts are now being examined.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.